Hello friends, today I will make homemade clay by paper. For that you will need some smaller strips of paper in a bowl, and the strips should be smaller because smaller the strips will be, the more smoother will be the clay. Now I will pour some water in it. You have to pour the amount of water that the paper is, and then you will push the paper into the water and you will keep it for a day. You will keep this paper soaked in water for a day, and after one day you will knead it very well with your two hands and break down the largest pieces into smaller pieces like this. So this is the thing that I have extracted, and now you will keep this for another day. After another day it has become like this. Now you will take a cup or a bowl, and then you have to take an handkerchief or a cloth. Now you will filter the thing with the help of a cloth and then filter it. You will pour some pulp in it and then squeeze it to extract the pulp of the paper. Now you will push it, and after filtered it has become much smaller and the pulp is ready. You will do the same for all the pulps, and our pulp is ready. Now you will put all the smaller pieces of the pulp into the bigger pieces and push it into under like this, and then you will roll it. Now you will keep this for a day. After one day I have to crush it into smaller pieces like this, and then you will keep it aside. Now in a bowl you have to pour 4 tablespoons of flour. I put in 4 tablespoons of flour, and then I will pour 4 tablespoons of glue in it. You can use any type of glue. It can be paper glue, it can be means Fevicol, and I have poured 4 tablespoons of glue in it. Now I will pour 1 tablespoon of hair oil or any type of oil in it. After pouring the oil, I will mix the ingredients together, and after mixing the ingredients together I will pour the pulp in it, and then I will make it as a dough. You have to keep kneading it for some time, and then the dough will ready. After kneading I will put some glue in it. I will put some glue in it in this regular interval of time, and then knead it like this. You have to knead it for a time to make it a dough like this. Now you will pour some water in it and then again knead it. You will add little much of water. Then you will pour some salt in it, and then again you will knead it, and then finally you will pour some flour in it. 1 tablespoon of flour it can be. Then you will knead it properly, and then you will pour 2 tablespoons of oil in it. After pouring 2 tablespoons of oil, our dough is ready. You can also mix flour and glue according to your use, and our dough is ready, and I have kept it for one day, and after one day it is ready, and then I will put it into a tight container and keep it for 2 days in refrigerator. Now our dough is ready, and you can see that it has lost some water. And now I will take a lemon and put some lemon in it. You will squeeze the lemon, and the much amount of lemon in it, it will be making much longer, and you can do this is a optional process. You can pour lemon to make it much longer. Now you will keep aside the seeds. Now you will knead it. You will knead it not much well, but you will knead it for some time, and after kneading it will look like this, and then you will keep it for 2 hours, and after that your clay will be ready. I will then mix it and keep it for 2 hours, and this can also stay for 2 months after 2 hours. And after 2 hours our clay is ready. You can put it in and you can see that it is much sticky, and our homemade clay is ready. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel Craft Ideas. Bye.